Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timique Skin Glow. I'm Elijah Imomotimi Rachel. So of course, this channel is about skincare, and here I teach you how to make easy to advanced DIYs on skincare, of course. And I create one-of-a-kind recipes for skin repair, maintenance, advanced skin whitening, and toning without side effects. And I share them step by step with you. So please be part of the skincare family. Kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new videos. There's so many educative videos on this channel, and of course I've categorized them into different playlists. Kindly check through this channel. You're going to find something interesting. You're going to find something you love. Go through the playlist to see the videos. And yes, we have our product. Timique Skin Glow products are available for worldwide delivery. Distance is never a barrier. We ship worldwide. So whether you need skincare product, Timique Skin Glow product, or organic ingredient or pro-mixing ingredients, of course, we can supply you. Our ebooks are also available. We have ebooks on whitening based cream, very effective recipes. They are solely my recipes. And of course, we have whitening activator oil ebook. We have promixing ebook, and of course natural skincare formulation ebook. We also have our skincare class on natural skincare formulation, everything made from scratch, and of course the recipes are very effective. Send me a message on WhatsApp. The number is on the screen, or send a DM on Instagram, or send a mail. Okay, you'll be attended to. Now this video is on Python fat. This here is called Python fat. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to get your own Python oil. There's so many fake in the market. As in, when I say so many fake oils, so many people are selling fake Python oil as selling fake oils as Python oil. So the best thing is for you to get the fat like this and then make your own oil out of it. The oil and the color of the oil is actually a liquid gold. Let me show you. So when you infuse your oil, this is what it should look like. I don't know if you can see the liquid at the bottom. So kindly watch this video to the end to know how to make your own Python oil. Okay, most of us find snakes such as python very repelling, and that is understandable. Of course, they have been tagged as dangerous since the appearance in the Garden of Eden. But did you know something good can actually come out of snake? This is the python fat. This is what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So python fat has been used for decades to fade stubborn scars. So this, of course, is a natural scar remedy. Okay. It also treats skin issues such as eczema, stretch mark, burns, and other skin tissue related issues. This here is really potent, very powerful. Of course, python fat has both skin and hair benefit. It's used in skincare, and of course, it's used for treatment of hair issues such as dandruff, brittle hairs, and hair loss. This python oil can be used to do that. Not the fat, the oil gotten from it is what I'm talking about. Okay, python fat, this you see here is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and other active compounds that are really beneficial to human health. So how do you use this? How do you get the oil out of this? This is very good. This oil is actually very good for treatment of stretch mark. If you're making your stretch mark product, this oil, this python oil is something you should really consider putting. If you're making your stretch mark cream or stretch mark oil and you don't have python fat there, then I don't know what you're actually making. You need this oil. Python oil is really good for treatment of scars and stretch mark. So this is what, I'm not going to use all of them just for the purpose of this video. I just want to show you how to do it. So you put your python fat in a clean bowl like this. Then get your oil. You can use coconut oil. Some people use sunflower and other oils, but I prefer to work with coconut oil. So whether cold press or hot press, you can use either of them. Just make sure you're working with coconut oil. This is the python fat. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this in. Just make sure it covers the fat, okay, and then that's okay. Now, some people do this and then they put it in the double boiler, use double boiler method to infuse. But I don't really do that. What I do, I leave it to stay for weeks. You can leave it for a week. You can use it to leave it for 2 weeks. If you want to use it immediately, you really want the oil and you cannot wait for weeks, just wait after 24 hours, at least 24 hours. Leave this to infuse for 24 hours before you use. So you can just do this, put it in your container, okay, and then put it in a clean bottle. Just pour the oil and then leave it. Whenever you want to use, you use your oil from there. But make sure it stays for at least the minimum infusion period should be 24 hours. Okay, you infuse for 24 hours and then you use. That's if you're in a hurry. But if you're not in a hurry, just put it like this there. Okay, you can see it. And then put it in your clean, airtight container. So whenever you want to use your python oil, you just go there and then you use. This can be applied directly on the skin. Okay, you can apply this directly on where you have scars. It's going to treat it. If you have, even if the scar is fresh, okay, from day one, you can start applying this there. It's going to fade it off. So you should use it multiple times daily if you can. This is not just what you use one morning and evening. If you can apply it more, the more you apply, the better for you. Okay, the quicker it's going to work. It's going to work faster. So this is it. I told you it comes in a liquid gold color. So the more you leave it here, so you leave it for more longer time, you're going to see the color change. Okay, it's a multi-purpose oil. It treats eczema, it treats stretch marks, it treats scars. Okay, so you can put it in a jar, cover it tight, and then leave it there, or you put it in a bottle. Just collect the python fat like this. If you're using a bottle like this, you can just collect it and then you force the fat into it, put it everything you want there, cover it, shake very well, and then you allow it to infuse. Okay, so you can just do this. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. So this is it. Just force it in. So you may want to ask, oh, how does this smell? Python fat, just like it's, of course, it's an animal fat gotten from snake. So just like your regular smell from you get from animal fat, that's just the same way this one smells. Okay, so you just put it there. Just gonna force this inside. This is because I'm using a bottle. If you don't want to use a bottle like this, you can get a jar. Okay, and then you put, just pour in and then do what you have to do. So you can see, if you are using a bottle like this, you just force it in, put, cover and infuse. Or if you want to do this method, you just do it like this and then cover it in a very good container. So this is it. Cover and of course shake very well and then allow to infuse. This can stay for years. You can leave it like this for 1 year, 2 years. It's not going to spoil if you can use it that way. You don't need preservative, okay? There's no need adding preservative to this. You don't need preservative. You don't need vitamin E oil, but if you want to put some drops of vitamin E oil, that's fine. So this is your python oil. So instead of just going to the market and then they give you any kind of oil just in the name of python oil, it's better to buy the fat like this and then infuse your own python oil. It's that simple. Okay, it's not difficult at all. I hope you find this video interesting. Please click the like button, like this video. It's going to encourage me to do more. And of course, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.